Why'd you put it on? Huh? Probably wanted to put his hat on. Maybe he wants you. Maybe he wants me to what? To get confused. Oh, I'm already confused. Plenty confused. So don't talk to me about confusion.
Wait a minute now, back up just a sec. What about that?
What about what?
Well, Pilgrim, Shooter's Bay, and a half a dozen other details you've chosen to ignore. You know what? You've not seen. I don't need to listen to this shit from you. Are all these things coincidences? I'm wearing his bruises, aren't I? Aren't I? Are you? Well, listen to me, because this is how it happens. This is how it happens. Shut up! There is no John Shooter. There never has been. You invented him. Listen to me, not to him, before it's too late. Leave me alone!